Good afternoon, sir. Mabuhay. Welcome po sa lakan natin. I am Dave Bergman. I am your partner for your stay. May I have your key card, sir, to show you how to enter your room.
Sure.
Just tap the key card here, sir, to access the room. So, this way, sir.
Okay, thank you.
You may put your key card here, sir, to access the electricity in the room. And we also have a table full of snacks. Please take note that everything in the table is charitable. And also, we have a chairs and table to do your business or like you'd like to do. Next is we also have a bar. So please take note that our mini bar, everything inside the mini bar is chargeable. And we also have a lot of drinks here, sir. And so, sir, we also have our aircons. If you need to adjust the room temperature, please use the remote.
Okay, thank you.
And now, sir, let's go to your bathroom.
Okay.
This way. In our bathroom, sir, we have our bathtub. If you want to relax, please don't hesitate to use this. And next is our shower. So if you want a hot and cold shower, please use the buttons to adjust the temperature of the water. Next is your toilet bowl and together with your towel and your tissue. Here is your sink. You can see here are free amenities in our hotel, which is toothpaste, toothbrush, and another amenities. And now, sir, let's proceed to our wardrobe. This is our wardrobe, sir. You can use this to store your clothes and your important things. And we also have our safety deposit box inside our wardrobe.
Okay, thank you.
And also, sir, we have our Sidlakan restaurant menu. If you want to order, please use our telephone and contact 911. And also, if you like to contact our front desk, please don't hesitate to dial 143 in your telephone.
Okay, thank you.
And if you like to wake up early, sir, we have the alarm clock. And if you like to contact our front desk, we have our telephone, just dial 143. You have also a static light lamp to use when you're going to sleep. And lastly, sir, your European queen size bed. Is there anything else you'd like to ask, sir?
No, thank you for wonderful business.
Thank you, sir. You're very welcome. And please don't, if you need anything else, please don't hesitate to contact us.